Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Medicare Transportation Card, Benefits Guide step by step clearly. To activate your Medicare Transportation Card, start by gathering all necessary documents. Ensure you have your Medicare card handy. Visit the official Medicare website or use the Medicare app. Log into your personal account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once logged in, navigate to the Transportation Services section. Look for the option to activate your transportation card. Click on the activation link or button. Enter the required information, including your card number and personal details. Review the information to ensure accuracy. Submit the activation request. After submission, you should receive a confirmation of your request. Keep an eye on your email for further instructions or confirmation. If you do not receive confirmation within a few days, contact Medicare customer service. Once activated, you'll be able to access transportation benefits. This includes rights to medical appointments at no additional cost. Familiarize yourself with local transportation providers who accept the card. Keep your card in a safe place and carry it when needed. Regularly check your Medicare account for updates on your transportation benefits. This ensures you remain informed about any changes or new services available to you. Understanding and utilizing your transportation card can significantly ease your access to healthcare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.